Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to play Grow Garden update. Wait, let me check the voice check. Okay, it's fine. It seems fine. We're going to play the biggest admin abuse in the world. I mean, in the whole Grow Garden. So we're going to get this. Jane Doll just messaged. If Jane Doll do that, and by the way, there's a change. There's now what the, why is it wrong spell? Cleansing. Anyways, there's also some new pet eggs. There's the summer eggs was removed. So luckily for you if you bought them. Well, let me see what's on there. Chicken deer? I suggest is staying in game. Most of website is out. Wait, monkey? What? What? Monkey is added? Okay, fine. And cow! Moo! Okay. Sea otter, turtle, and polar bear. Which is the rarest one? Nothing changes for the other eggs, I think. All mythical eggs still there. Uncommon eggs is crazy though. Oh, it's still there. Yay! I'm now walking. I will not be bald if I am going to be in Grow Garden in my normal avatar. Well, though, for this doing, I might just pause the bid till Jane Doll replies again. Bro, Creek is not 80 to 12. Is 68, not 62. What do you mean? Creek? Bro. I was trying to watch his video earlier though, but I could not. You know why, right? You know why. Okay? Wait a sec. When I'm just playing and chilling, why am I in Trillion again? Okay guys, I'm just gonna run some casual admin abuse. I'm pushing the main events. That means so people will be able to join. Most people can't join right now. But bro, why is my quadrillion gone? Wait a minute. Who changed this, bro? Can you guys tell me in the comment section? I'm an admin obvious now, but it will still be OP. Also, okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. By the way, pretty sure we're gonna make a part 2 because this build you can't belong though. It will just have to be 11 myths like that. Roblox has CCU right now. What do you mean? What do you totally mean? Wait, he also has the bean and carrot. Why do you guys still plant carrots though? I'm just planting it sometimes for the daily quest. Anyways. Let me 50 CCU with the admin abuse. Wait a minute. Why can't plant seed? Oh, never mind. Huh? I cannot plant. I'm tapping it. You can see. Oh, now we can plant. I'm gonna complete the quest. I'm almost there anyway. Uh-oh, this is not good. This is not really nice. This is actually pretty terrible. But for them, this is really good because look at this. It's an admin order. Okay, garden. Remember that. Throw out. Are you serious? Are you serious? No. I don't have Robux. I mean, I don't have enough Robux. Okay. Welcome to the Green Big Admin Abuse. Oh, yay! Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. To be honest. Oh, yes. 88 million. Tonight is OC. Green stock. Oh, it's so many. You can count it though. Level up lollipop. Let's go quick. and grab those. If you don't think I'm playing, what do you mean, Jandel? Scammy does not stand a chance. What do you mean, bro? Level up lollipop. Scammy Sammy. Oh, okay, does not stand a chance. Yep, I'm in Grow a Garden versus still a brain rot. This girl. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, this is really cool. Catch them all achievements. Wait, what? Golden lollipop is crazy. Bro, I might get copyright. He's happy. He's smiling. Look at that. He's smiling. Look. Can't you see? Corn plant, bro. Can't believe. Oh, I thought giant pine come in stock. Though, carrot seeds. Are serious? Okay, let's just bought the carrot. I'm not gonna go too crazy early on because it's not fair on people who can join. Well, that's really good at first, but it's really bad for me. Yep, like what? If you're watching a stream, don't worry, there will be a chance to join. Okay, fine. Fine on, bro. Jandel, bro. I'm just waiting here. Yo, I'm dancing. This is the dance looks like now. Just to make sure I'm playing, though. What? He's surprised. What admin abuse ya? I don't know. I just had Romanesque seed. You gave it to me, so don't reply bad. Oh my. It's 88 million. I can't believe it, though. You saw the still a brainer option. Let me just... But then they're so quick when they see what we have made. Oh, bro. I don't even like still brain rot. Like the players are stealing. I just played it on my second account. Yep, it's my friend's account. Hey. Bishop was restock. Apart from that, does something change again? Nope. Is there any new seeds? The answer, no. Okay, I'll be back to admin abuse. Wait, he said I will key. Bro, this is not natural disaster survival. Uh-oh, help me. Can Pio join ya? What is going on? I can't walk. Hello? Okay. Much better than ever. Found in the world. What is this going under the sea? Higher what is going on? Just look at this. Oh. Sam, thank you. Oh my gosh. What's going on? This is really bad. Scammy Sammy, where are you? I'm eating sugar, bro. Wait, 1 billion. Yummy and good. Help me. Wait, why are you dancing? Jandel can't do it. Hey. Bro, why? This is very slippery. I can't believe the support from Have a fun little admin abuse for you guys. Thank you. But I still can't move. This is our Easter egg. What do you mean? I'm 3 hours late from school, bro. What is being right now? If I jump, I'ma go there. He's a bean. Are we still under the sea? What is going on? Banner. For or more players. Beanbound. Oo.
Maliit.
Beanstalk.
Huh?
Bean.
Testing natin.
Oh, yay. You guys, I'm holding a beanstalk. What's up? Bro, why is this so laggy? This is really laggy, dude. Bro, what is going on? Ah! Help me. Help me, bro. Why do you want me standing there? Bro, what?
Wala.
Guys, I will run this again. But in the meantime, oh, beanstalk. Wait. Okay. Bro, I can't. Oh, yes. This is really good. Oh, yo. You thought I will not be able to buy those seeds. But, hey. You really thought that though. Check your inventory. Admin labels. Snap your thing. What do you mean? Snap. No, there's no. Okay. Just to be quick. What's going on? Okay. Guys, I'm holding a beanstalk. Beanaura. For okay, bean-bound mutation. Can I now move freely? No. Are you serious? Oh! I cannot talk. Here. Help me. Oh. Starting in 25 minutes. Guys, I think I will rejoin though. Guys, help me. How can I get out? Oh my gosh. Let's unstop. Wait. So, the video is up. Bye-bye.